Welcome, today we're going to show you how to create a seller account on Eldorado. So, if you want to actually start selling on Eldorado website as see from here, the first thing that you need to do is to search on Google for Eldorado website. After that, you need to click on this website from here. From here, the first thing that you need to do is to click on login. So from here, you need to click on create an account as see from here. And you need to make it through your email, or you can actually sign in using Google, Apple, or Facebook. I will use Google, and after that you will log into your account. So this is actually the first step. The next thing that you need to do is to click on your profile on the top right, and now you need to click on sell. So now it will tell you to start selling. From here you need to choose a category. So from here you can actually sell a currency, account, top up, items, boosting, and a lot of other stuff. So if you choose an account, so from here you need to have a seller verification. So there's some documents required. You need to click on it. And now it will ask you if you are an individual or a company. You need to click on individual if you are, and hit on next. Now choose what you are selling, hit on next. And now click on new seller, hit on next. It will ask you a lot of your information from here. You need to add it. So after you add all of your information from here, you need to add your ID. So you need to just get a picture of your ID, and now you need to choose a file and add it. And that's it. Now they will actually just verify your information and will start your selling account. So that's it. That's how you become seller on Eldorado. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.